Hello everyone. Yeah, I have some news because she had an abortion yesterday night, and she started to lose some liquids. Yeah, we brought her to the vet this morning, and from the scan were no kittens, just parts of placenta. Yeah, she was getting an abortion since we don't know how long, and so now the body is cleaning himself, and she's taking antibiotics, and she had an injection of oxytocin today for help her out on this process. We don't know yet the reason why, but we are checking. As soon as we have some updates about it, we'll let you know. So far is can be any reason, and was the first time with a different male, so really can be for many reasons. So until I don't have an answer, I can't really say anything. So we are figuring out, and we know for sure it's not of blood because they have the same type of blood, so we'll see. With the previous pregnancy, she didn't have this problem, and it was my male, but he got neutered last year because he's 12 years old now and almost 13, so he needs some rest, like this little girl now. So she's making like a nest. She wants to stay by herself. I feel really sad. Today, but the important thing is that she's okay, and she will recover nicely, and she doesn't need to get any surgery. So that's what is important. So I don't care about the rest. What is important for me is her health, and the thing that is nothing bad that can compromise her life is the most important thing. We will take care about the rest. And my love. So thank you for watching. Thank you for follow us on this journey. Thank you for follow us and all the rest of the family. We are a big family with some devil rex and some, let's say, like regular cats, if it's the right word to say. I'm not English, so I did some mistakes about language, so I'm sorry about that. Yeah, she is very sweet. She wants a lot of cuddles. Yeah, I'll keep you updates when I know what's going on. I'll keep you updated with her health also. Yeah. Good girl. I'm so sorry. Thank you for watching us, guys. Good night.